Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless My Set Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Never Wanna Lose You. The song is Never Want to Live Without You by the artist Eric BENET, and the choreography is TRACY Baker. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
To have a heart that love couldn't find. I used to come and go, no thought of what I left behind. But now, somehow I've grown to see the world through brand new eyes. A better world that you've shown to me. Yes. When you were gone, felt like the stars were pointless to shine. And my days dragged on without a cause or reason to find. Baby, on my own, I'm just a lonely waste of time that should be spent with you faithfully. So but now I see, darling, just hold my hand. Wherever we are is home to me. And now, this second chance to start a life and family. I thank the Lord and you for this gift to me. So
that beautiful or what? Y'all make sure y'all check out Tracy Baker YouTube channel. I love her choreography. That is Never Wanna Lose Your Love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana.